Sometimes late at night I lie awake and watch him sleeping. He's lost in peaceful dreams, so I turn out the lights and lay there in the dark. And the thought crosses my mind, if I never wake up in the morning, would he ever doubt the way I feel about him in my heart? If tomorrow never comes, will he know how much I loved him? Did I try in every way to show him every day that he's my only one? And if my time on earth were through, and he must face this world without me, is the love I gave him in the past gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes? 'Cause I've lost love.
Buenos días, Sabadell. Perdón, Sabadell me han dicho, no digas Sabadell, que está muy mal dicho. Digo, yo sé, es que digo, siempre tengo un amigo que está en la Peña. Bueno, somos Countryline Dancing Fronteras. Vamos a bailar hospitales, vamos a bailar centros penitenciarios, gracias. Bailamos siempre en actividades donde creemos que nuestro bailo gusta, que hace pasar un bonito ratito. Vamos, que vamos a pasar un par de horas estupendas todos juntos, ¿ok? Muchas gracias.
Say each day how much he means to me, and avoid that circumstance where there's no second chance to tell him how I feel. So if tomorrow never comes, will he know how much I loved him? Did I try in every way to show him every day that he's my only one? If my time
Mama, daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. One sherry, color to Canada. One for my daddy-o, one for my daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. On the 4th of July, 1806, we set sail from the sweet Hope Port. We were sailing away with a cargo of bricks for the Grand City Hall in New York. 'Twas a wonderful price she was paying for the night. Can't you hear us calling Peggy Daly? We want a drink of Irish Mountain Dew. Coming down the mountain, Katy Daly. Come down from the mountain, Katy Daly. I can't hear us calling Katy Daly. We
There was no need to talk about it. They were holding up the scope it out and leaving the rose. She said,
Vamos a ver todos, a ver si saben terminar.
if you want to know.
Dice, yo conocí a Cervantes, dijo, nunca me lo creí, naturalmente. Pero él me decía, conocí a Cervantes, no, yo lo conocería.
Honey, honey, kiss me. Thrill me, honey, honey, thrill me. Blow my top, honey, honey. Don't stop. I love you, closer, closer, we must go. Kiss me, honey, honey, kiss me. Love me, honey, honey, thrill me. Don't care, that's what. Blow my top, honey, honey.
Yes, Lord. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Your kissing will my lips begin to burn, and I can tell I got a lot to learn. So hold me closer, darling, show me how. Closer, closer now. Kiss me, honey, honey, kiss me.
Yes, Lord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. ¡Ah, muy bien! Això és magnífic. El que el ball country pot fer per la malaltia de l'Alzheimer. Teníem i ens vèiem amb l'obligació de posar el nostre granet de sorra en aquesta festa. Jo recordava la meva iaia quan estava amb el meu avi i a mi em deia: Enric, qui és aquest senyor que dorm al meu costat? Evidentment, si puc posar el meu granet de sorra perquè això es minimitzi, evidentment que el posarem. Moltes gràcies a tothom.
Una cosa per cadascú, perquè en sou molts i això ens dona molta alegria i us donem aquesta espelma que diem la llum de l'Avant, una cosa per tots. I li fem entrega al vostre director.
Moltes gràcies.
I dir-li a ell que m'ha emocionat molt el testimoni tan gràfic que ha fet, que amb aquestes paraules tan maques que ens ha dit, no només del ball, sinó tot el que ha dit de la persona que pateix aquesta malaltia. Moltes gràcies.
Gonna be enough to last if tomorrow never comes. So tell that someone that you love just what you're thinking of if tomorrow never